Hello and welcome to another Sterling Armory vlog. Those are our new Saxony ducks. Well, they're not really new. We've had them since they were hatchlings, but they were growing pretty large pretty quick. There's one of them right now. They join our Peking ducks and our chickens over there. So it's a mess out here right now. Yeah, it's a nice day here in Florida. Humidity is about 150% instead of the usual 250. It's a bit overcast out today, so it is a bit cooler. I think it's only 115 degrees instead of 227 degrees. And yeah, but today is a very sad day. So there comes a time in every maker's life when they grow attached to a certain someone, a certain individual, tool that they use for everything. And sadly, that tool life doesn't last forever. So join me in saying goodbye to my trusty bandsaw that I bought when I was 17 years old. So if you own a Sterling Armory sword, any Sterling Armory sword, some part of that blade was done on this bandsaw. So I used that to cut out full blades at one point. Mostly lately it's been grips and guards and pommels. But yeah, it has been a trusty beast all the way from the exotic land of Taiwan. And I bought it from a wholesale tool, again, back when I was 17. So it's had a long life. It's been quite good. And sadly, it's time to go. So, we have a new replacement. Sorry, buddy, to replace you so quickly. But we have our new exotic from Taiwan, Harbor Freight. Actually, it might not be Taiwan, it might be China or somewhere else. Harbor Freight version, which I just picked up. And I'm actually quite impressed. Everything's a bit more robust than the old one, although I'm not banking that I'm going to get another 20-something years out of it, like I did my first one here. So, yeah, working on blades for a new Combat Con coming up, and when he just kapooted and I could not get him back going. So, I had to break down and buy a new one. So, join me in saying goodbye to my dear friend, Mr. Bandsaw. Bye, Bandsaw. You will be missed.